begin.
Thank you, Miss Wendy. Hello, and good morning to everyone out there in Radioland. My name is Carrie Anna Simmons, and I'm a 13-year-old 4-H'er here in Spalding County. I've been in 4-H since I was in the 3rd grade, and have participated in many camps and other projects throughout the years. I would like to take a few minutes to tell you about just a few of the amazing things I did this past week at the Burton 4-H camp on Tybee Island. This camp is designed for 7th and 8th grade 4-H'ers. My week started as I boarded a charter bus for a 5-hour drive to Tybee Island. It was a long trip, but much more comfortable than it would have been on a hot school bus. We took several classes during our stay at Burton. I took marsh ecology, went on a marsh trawl, which is where you get on a boat, throw a net into the water, see what you catch. I also took crabs and critters, which is a class talking to you about snakes, crabs, and other critters. And I also did a community service project. My service project was sorting non-perishable food items at a food bank. We went to the beach every day, but most days we didn't get to swim much because it rained a lot. We went on a ghost tour, dinner cruise, lighthouse tour, military fort tour, and a night walk on the beach. We also had Tybee Time, which is where you can go shopping in Tybee with a group of friends. We did so many great things that it's hard to even begin to tell you all of them. I'm so very glad that I'm involved in 4-H because there are so many wonderful things to do through this great organization that you could never do anywhere else. If you have any questions for us, please give us a call at 770-467-4225 or come down and give us a visit here at 232 East Broad Street on the corner of 5th and Broad.